I love making dips from scratch because you know what's going into them. And here's 3 perfect examples using some sour cream. Now, this is fantastic if you've got friends coming over, but sometimes you have some leftover sour cream, and this is another great way of using it up. So let's start over here. In here, I've got some roasted capsicums just from the jar. I've just blended this so it's a smooth paste. I'll add some sweet chili sauce to this, just for some extra sweetness and the heat of the chili. I'll add a few generous spoonfuls of our creamy sour cream. It's creamy, but it has a slight tang to it, which is a fantastic base for all of these dips. Use your back of the spoon and just mix that up. And that is the first dip done, and that's the right consistency. Here I've got some leftover roasted mushrooms, so I've just chopped them up and I've blended them until they're a rough paste. Again, we'll add some sour cream, and I'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons of that, so another tub. And you do want to ensure that the mushrooms have cooled down, and then just gently fold them through. Mushrooms and sour cream, it is the best combination, particularly if you add herbs like thyme through it. I've added some garlic and some lemon zest. That is dip number 2, ready to go. And for a lighter style dip, some peas. These are just frozen peas. I've mashed them up. Again, we're going to add a generous dollop of our tangy sour cream into the bowl and just fold everything together. Look at that gorgeous colour. To really freshen it up, the juice of half a lemon, squeeze that in, and some mint, and I'm just going to tear the mint in. This is such a summery style dip. I love it. And that dip is ready. You know, a lot of these ingredients you'll probably have at home. So instead of buying dips, why not make them at home and create the ones that you like? These are just 3 simple examples of what I love to do with sour cream, but the list is absolutely endless. Serve it with some rice crackers like I'm doing, or some corn chips, and you've got yourself a pretty sweet party. That's my trio of sour cream dips.